talking birthday.
2 angles.
We're talking birthday, double angles.
Hey, you guys settle down.
Oh boy, he screamed out of there.
Yeah, he did.
Oh man, it was getting hit earlier too. I'm so glad it went.
Oh, is he stuck in something?
Let him run.
Anything to help you.
Just let him run.
Fingers crossed, man.
Yeah.
Feels like he's in something.
Action.
Birthday action, Dad. Oh, Nate. I love.
Doesn't feel good.
Yeah, were you scared of that one too?
Plus, getting stronger every time.
Come on.
Trailman's will calm me down.
Yeah, I think there's a sailor.
Woo.
I just put a little bit of hair on
Hair wrong?
you. Sorry.
I should have had some. Come on.
Get that behind him angle. You see the fish coming in.
Whatever you're in.
Look at that technique. Ooh, he's screaming. Dang, he's taking the boat for a ride.
He's not happy.
He's taking the boat for a ride, bro.
Come on now.
He's a minute 30 in.
Don't get into any more shit.
Amazing.
There's a monster on the hook. Alan's birthday.
Well, I've broken good
Monster
ones off here,
birthday.
like, thinking, oh, I'm okay, and then they keep running, and then your angle's fucked up, and you hit
Yes.
the dock.
Gotcha.
So I'd rather just keep the shit in the water.
Yep.
Come on, damn.
Woo, he's strong. That thing is going.
Yeah, get that thing ready.
Woo.
Way out there.
Oh, he's still gone?
He's out there, yeah. He ain't coming in yet. I haven't made any progress on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That working? Should have gone on the boat.
Wow.
I haven't made any progress.
Hey, you're filming?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna wait for the real, for the real documentation.
I'll cut it up.
I think there's an anchor over there. Shit. A boat dock anchor. I hope that's just a random.
Is that your boil? That's him?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I think there's a duck right there.
He's coming in. He's right here. Let's catch it. Oh!
Hey.
It's a nice catfish. There you go. Real nice catfish.
Whoa.
It's a fucking real nice catfish. Yeah. Oh, it's a keeper catfish. Look at that guy.
Woo.
Yep.
Bloop, bloop.
Happy birthday, sir. What have you done?
You.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a captain.
You.
That's a fucking captain. Wow.
Thank you, Dan.
Wow.
Reel that in.
Need a picture of you holding him.
Fucking channel.
Hey,
gosh.
good job, guys.
Dude, this is the biggest
Yeah.
channel cat I've ever seen.
Legit channel.
He's fat.
Man, we
Look
ate
at that hook too.
We ate a
Yes,
channel cat.
Perfect, dude. Oh, he's got another one in him. Someone else broke him off.
Maybe that was the one from earlier. Oh no,
No,
we
we didn't break him off.
Yeah,
Pliers?
Yeah, please, Dan.
Yeah,
Good job,
hey,
sir.
We just,
And he'll
we got
survive
him
for
to
a while,
save
so
him.
no one will
Exactly. Dude, what the fuck?
I can't do
so
that.
much better than a carp.
So much better than the car.
So much better
he
than a
was
carp.
digging, man.
Good job.
I got a
Yeah,
scale.
Oh, I
good
need-
extraction,
yeah, might as well.
fellas. Dude, we ate that channel cat
yeah.
at the river, but it was
Roach clips?
way smaller than this. This one's massive.
Oh, dude, look how
Yeah,
frayed up
get the other one
my
too.
line is.
Oh yeah,
It's
you
fucking.
barely
He was
got,
in
you
some
barely
shit
got
down
him.
there.
Woohoo.
Wow, wow.
Wow.
Oh, we got the channel locks on this thing. So there we go, Dan. Nope.
Some more familiar pliers, dude. Sorry.
No. Hey, I like them. I was
are.
like, ooh, and they're channel locky. That should be good.
I don't know where my fucking.
Got it.
Nice.
Got it.
Got one.
both?
Got
One.
one.
Yeah, here's the other one.
Nice job, brother.
Thank you all, dude. Thanks, Dan.
Yes, great job.
Dan, you could have.
Hey, don't let him flop on out of there, though. I want a
he's got
picture.
teeth too. Fuck, no wonder you can't lip these bigger channels.
No, I grabbed him.
By the teeth?
I've
I
heard
did.
bad things,
I just
dude.
lipped him.
You feel that?
I just lipped him.
I've heard bad things, man. Don't.
You're not supposed to lift
Oh,
channels.
well, I did.
I mean, like bigger ones. I mean, this is the biggest one ever.
I
Yeah, this is the biggest channel I've ever
Look at
seen.
that. Somebody's nice little circle hook.
Yeah, it's a
Bruh,
good one.
biggest channel I've ever seen.
Fuck yeah.
The one we ate at the river was way
How you gonna
smaller.
hold them up?
I'll get him.